What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I'm trying to kill like 3 birds with 1 stone right now, so this is going to be a super short video. I know normally my videos are like way longer than what they need to be probably, but I just got back in town. I went to go meet with Nate again to go get some more parts for the convertible Impala and the hardtop also. So Nate came through as always, hooked me up on some awesome stuff. I'm gonna run to the back real quick and show you. It's still in the back of the truck. I'm on a quick dinner run right now for my wife and my son. So I got their pizza and stuff right there. But let me show you what I got real quick. This is you can see it's like super dark out here, so I wanted to show you this before I got home. But all right, so I covered it up so it wouldn't get terribly wet. But what I got here is the rear bumper Nate hooked me up with for the convertible Impala. And then also, check this guy out. It's probably hard to tell, but that's a windshield. Remember that windshield on the convertible was busted up. So we got that back in place now. I'm gonna get this back out when the weather's better for you guys so you can check it out and get this make sure this window isn't rubbing up against the back of the bed there. Let's see. Okay. But then he also hooked me up with, never mind the mics there, some Cove panel pieces here, and this center section right there. And then there's also, he found the missing strip for the door trim, and this is the SS trim. If you can see the design there, that's the SS trim. So he found that, so that was awesome. Hooked me up with that. Got the Cove panel. Now this is going to go on the hard top, but what I want to do with these, and they're like stupid clean, stupid smooth. Nate, I'm telling you guys, Nate has some awesome stuff. This isn't repop stuff. This is NOS. This is GM stuff. This is pulled off of Impalas. This is not aftermarket stuff made wherever. This is all pulled off of legit 63 Impalas. So if you want Nate's contact info, I put it in the other video when I got that rear seat from him for the convertible. I'll put it in this here and I'll pin it to the top so you can see his phone number. So reach out to him. Now Nate's working night shift, so keep in mind the time difference. Especially, I know a lot of you guys are calling in from California and stuff, and that's cool, but just keep in mind the time difference that Nate has, because he's working nights also. So if he doesn't get to you right away, give him a minute. You know, he's either working, sleeping. The dude works like crazy, so bear with him. But Nate has good stuff. And if he does have anything that's in the least bit questionable, you know, he goes into full detail on the overall quality of it, the overall condition. You know, he's not going to say, oh, it's mint condition, and you get it and it's got a major dent or a bend or something crazy in it. Nate doesn't do business like that. Nate's legit. Nate's awesome. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back. Happy Mother's Day to all the ladies out there. Sorry if I look a little rough this morning. I had to get up in a hurry. Had a customer call me and needed some help with some stuff, so before driving out there, I got to drop off the stuff that I just picked up from Nate. I'm gonna show you the stuff real quick. If you remember from last time when I met with Nate, I got all the SS trim pieces for the doors, the rear quarter panels, and he had 5 door pieces, not 6. He had 5 door pieces. When I went there yesterday, he found the 6th one. He had to sitting out. So now I got the 6th piece. Again, this is SS trim. You can see the pattern in there. Looks very nice. Looks very nice. Nice and smooth. No holes drilled in this thing. Nothing like that. It's nice and clean. Also got the windshield from Nate yesterday too. So when I mentioned last night real quick in the video, the trim tag and everything on this car calls for a tinted windshield. and it's just like this greenish tint that runs along the top of the windshield that fades. Like I said, I'm not going to be picky about that. If I run across one at a later time, that's cool. I can use this as a spare or something, but I'm okay. I'm not going to trip on that. So shout out to Nate, man. Thank you so much for finding that trim piece, the windshield. He also had another Cove panel, which is in excellent condition here. If you look at it, looks really good. Looks really good. So you know, no dents, no crazy scratches or gouges. It's such a super clean piece. Then he also hooked me up with this bumper here. It's not like the super prettiest bumper, but I believe it may be able to get worked a little bit. The previous car it was on, I think someone tried pulling from the top of the bumper. I don't know if you can tell on the camera here, but there's a little pull. Let me see here. There was like maybe something hooked on there right there, and they tried to pull the car. So I may be able to push that down and get that back in. There's another dip down on the end down there, but yeah, nothing major though. Nothing major. So shout out to Nate again, man. You guys, like I said last night, Nate has these parts. He's got, well, first of all, Nate has a lot of Impalas, convertible X-frame Impalas. So, you know, and he was doing the same thing I was doing, but just on a much larger scale, stocking up on, you know, new old stock parts or the NOS parts, and you know, just saving them for that when his cars are ready to get brought to the house, he can start putting this stuff on and have new parts from GM and not some repop parts that, you know, have fitment issues or anything like that. So he's really knocked it out the park with you know, his inventory that he has. He's just at a point now to where he's ready to start assembling his stuff, getting some stuff put on, and he's just got a lot of extras that he you know, that he stocked up on that he thought he may need or may have been good to have, some extras or some backup, you know, stuff like that. But getting to a point now to where he's able to weed through the stuff, you know, see what he needs, what he doesn't need, and he's putting up the stuff for sale that he doesn't. So again, it's all new old stock. It's not repop stuff. It's not trashy stuff. He's straight up. He's very honest with the condition of this stuff. So if you're looking for something that's you know, hard to find or just a new old stock part, you know, if he's got it, he'll let you know. He's got an eBay page and stuff. I don't know the page to his eBay, but I'll put his phone number down below so you guys can reach out to him. And yeah, he's definitely got some great stuff. I'll pin his number down below in the comment section so you guys can pull it from there, because in the last video where I got this this seat from Nate right here, you guys were and it's in really good condition actually too, but you guys were asking you know, for his contact info and all the stuff, and a lot of you guys are out from California. He's in Ohio, and again, he works night shift, so timing and everything is going to be kind of hard to line up, but he will get back to you though. So just be patient if you can't reach him right away, and we will. Let me wipe this screen. Okay, but yeah, just be patient if he can't get right back to you, but he'll definitely get back to you and let you know what he has. So all right guys, I gotta run. I'm gonna unload this stuff here, put it into the storage unit, and I gotta fly on down about an hour south to go help a customer. So gonna be a very busy day today, very busy Sunday. Normally, you know, our company doesn't work on the weekends, but when you're striving for excellent customer service, you work every day and every night. So I am going to go check out my customer real quick and go help them go help them with some stuff, and I will catch you guys later. Shout out to my wife. Happy Mother's Day. I love you. Thank you so much for all your love and support, for all of this craziness that you deal with all the time at home and everywhere. So I love you so much. Thank you for putting up with this stuff. The car stuff is it's crazy. It's crazy, but thank you. I love you so much. And to all the ladies out there, happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day to my mom. Happy Mother's Day to everyone out there. Hope you guys have fun, be safe, and see you soon. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.